Hello everyone, my name is Raj Kumar. I am an 18-year-old youth leader. I come from a small village located in the division of Mirpur Khas in the province of Sindh, Pakistan, which is named as Kandiari. So, the region to which I belong, Kandiari, is where 80% of the population is affected by healthcare and education crisis. More than 7 out of 10 people do not get access to basic life facilities like healthcare, education, and the condition is even exacerbated by the current climatic conditions that have hit rural areas like Kandiari. As someone who wanted to create an impact in my community and help those who were affected by such conditions, I took my first initiative in 2023. In January 2023, where I conducted a volunteer project distributing floods in local communities in Mirpur Khas to help them mitigate these issues. And it was by then I decided to dig deeper into the real cause of these issues. So I started educating myself first through attending various conferences, whether it be national, international conferences, or webinars or seminars locally in my town. And it was by then that I got enough knowledge about the essential root causes of the problems that affect our communities and how can I as an individual or as a community can make an impact into it. I realized that it was not about being an activist, advocate, or someone who has a bachelor's or master's into it, but I really needed that burning desire to be able to help people around me. And it was then that I started raising awareness in local communities, awareness to those who actually need it. By contacting various national and international organizations, I did a mutual collaboration with them to raise awareness about issues like climate change. Afterwards, it was the time when we worked towards organizing national and international conferences. It was the first time I stepped into organizing an international level conference, which was the Global Youth SDG Summit 2024. After which I made sure that this impact is not confined to people who have digital devices, but also to those communities which lack these digital facilities. So it was then in 2024 that I went on to organize the national or regional level SDGs conference, which was in person held at my high school, the Global Youth SDGs Conference 2024, where I served as the organizer and president and helped create an impact. And I was grateful enough to be part of the Child Advisory Panel at the National Commission on the Rights of Child, which is recognized by the government of Pakistan, and be able to serve and represent my community